control. This is by far the most comfortable start to the day we've had so far. 520 right now, 60s for most, still hanging on to 70 in Cape Coral, but 68 in Fort Myers and Naples, mid 60s for our inland and northern communities, feeling much better as you head out the door. I really don't think you still need a jacket. I was fine in a t-shirt this morning, but you will notice that we're running cooler by 3 to about 5 degrees depending on where you're at. And remember, yesterday we were 3 or 4 degrees cooler than the day before, so it's been a steady decline in both temperature and dew point since Monday, and that brings us to a pretty comfortable place today. Dew points low to mid 60s for the majority of the area. 67 is the highest dew point that we have, and that is in Cape Coral. Everywhere else about 65 or less, so a pretty comfortable start to the morning dew point wise as well. You see, comparing this to yesterday, 3 to 7 degrees drier than yesterday, so that puts us solidly in the middle of the muggy meter. Some spots even flirting with that tolerable range, so much better place to be. Monday we were mid to upper 70s in the dew point, so we've steadily fallen, and that will make you feel pretty comfortable as you head out the door today, even as those highs warm. We have a lot of dry air in the upper levels of the atmosphere that's helping to drop those dew points, but it's also helping to clear the skies as that high pressure sets up. So you see the satellite and radar clear and quiet with no weather worries as you head out the door. The Doppler radar not picking up on any rain, and the predictor doesn't bring on much. A few spotty showers maybe for our southern communities, but you see the majority of southwest Florida today seeing a whole lot of sun, maybe a few clouds mixing in with that rain chance very slim. I would say about 20% or less for most of us. The best chance will be near the coast and for our southern communities, but you saw even in those spots not much. And the reason for that being the best chance today is that east wind that continues. At times maybe a little breezy, 10 to 15, but it will direct any showers that develop closer to the coastline. But today we're just not looking at a whole lot that even develops. So keep the umbrella in the car, just because it does seem like we're transitioning maybe into more of that rainy season pattern. But as you look at the 7-day forecast, we are going to stay pretty dry for the next 7 days compared to the past 7. And the first half of the day showing a lot of sun. I do think we'll get a couple clouds mixing in, but mostly sunny to start, with highs heating right back up. We've been below average for the past few days. We're back seeing highs 89, 90 degrees, a little cooler in Lakeport, but 90 for Goodland and Boca Grande today, 89 in San Carlos Park. If you're heading out on the boat, beautiful day for it. UV index is very high, but that chance for rain and thunderstorm activity is slim in your Ingham Marine boating forecast, with wind out of the east at 10 knots. So as we head into the rest of the weekend, we do expect a little bump in storm chance tomorrow and Sunday, just to 30% though, and that's primarily for the second half of the day. As we head into the start of next week, the weather pattern in general seems to really dry out as highs heat up. So early next week, we're looking at highs in the low 90s with not much of a rain chance.